So the how-to video today is going to be on changing the spark plug. We're going to remove the boot. This is on a Honda GX200. This is an 11/16 socket. We are going to remove that spark plug. And if you need a brand new plug for your Honda, we have that part number, Permagreen part number, on the screen right now. This one's really clean, actually. But let's say your spark plug was whitish around the tip and crusty, gunky looking. That could be a sign of too much oil in the crankcase. You might want to check that. Also, maybe this is black. I've seen them black quite often. And it's a dry black. It's not wet like oil, but it's dry and it's black. That could be your air filter. You know, if the gas is not totally igniting in that cylinder because it's choked off from air, that could cause a lot of that unspent gas to collect on the spark plug. So, might want to check those two. We have a brand new spark plug here. This is an NGK. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back in after we gap it. This is available for a couple of dollars at your local automotive store, Tractor Supply place. And the setting on an NGK spark plug for this machine is between 0.028 and 0.031. So this gauge will help you do that. You're going to stick it right inside here. And look at the number, and that's right on the money. That's 0.030. We'll take that. Now we're going to put this plug back in. You'll feel it start. Tighten her up. And then when it's tight, you just want to turn it another quarter turn to snug it. Put your boot back on. You'll hear that click when it goes on. There it went like that. And you're done with that. If you need parts, you can buy them online at permagreen.com. We've got free shipping, over $50, and also plenty more of these how-to videos on the way from Permagreen. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch them all.